Hello, good morning students. In today's video, we are going to learn the chapter symmetry. In that, we will see the symmetrical figures. Now you can see the heart shape. Yes students, if I draw a vertical line in between them, it gives two halves, the first half and the second half. See the first half, this is first half, and if you can see here the second half. If I fold that on first, what happens? It gives a identical shape. That means it covers the whole part. Now see, the second figure is of circle. If I draw a vertical line, it gives two halves. One half completely cover the second half. Yes students, these shapes are called symmetrical shapes. If I fold that and it gives the identical figure, then it is called symmetrical shape. Yes students, and the line which I draw, see you can see here that line is called line of symmetry. Okay students, understand the line of symmetry and symmetrical shape. If I draw a line of symmetry, it should give identical shape. Now you can see the figure of flower. Yes, you can see that. Okay, now if what happens if I draw a vertical line? What happens students? And if I cover that, it gives the identical shape. That means it completely cover the other half part. Yes students, so it is called symmetrical figure. And see that line is called line of symmetry. Understand this? What is the meaning of symmetrical image and line of symmetry? Now this figure is of rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle, green color rectangle. Now if I draw a horizontal line, okay, now if I draw line this and if fold that, it covers the other half? No, it doesn't cover that other half part. That means it is not symmetrical around that line. But see another way, if I draw vertical line and it cover, if I fold that, what happens? See, you can see it gives the identical shape. Yes, see you can see that it covers the other half part. That means this line is of symmetrical image, but that symmetry is of vertical line only. Okay students, the line of symmetry is vertical line, not of first one. Now all these are symmetrical images, symmetrical figures, and that have a line of symmetry. A figure can have more than one line of symmetry. Okay, understand this? Now you can see a butterfly. Yes students, you can see it colorful butterfly. If I vertical line draw, then it gives the other symmetries. Yes, and that line is called line of symmetry, and the figure is called symmetrical shape. Understand this? Now a rabbit is there. If I draw a vertical line and if I fold that part, what it gives? It gives the same other half. That part is line of symmetry, and this figure is of symmetrical figure. Understand this students? Now there are so many symmetrical figures in our surroundings. See the alphabet A, this is smiley face, it is also symmetrical. This figure is also symmetrical. Yes students, can you find alphabets from A to Z which are symmetrical, and can you draw? Yes students, understand this? Now making a symmetrical figure, how we make a symmetrical figure? Okay, now you can see a rectangle, or if I draw symmetry around vertical line, then it gives the other half part. Yes, now if I make a star on that half part, okay, and it is, now see I cut that part and I have to draw a symmetry. If I draw vertical line, it gives the other half. See the first half and the second half, both are symmetrical. That means both are identical. Yes students, that is called the line of symmetry, and it gives the symmetrical figure. Understand this, what is the meaning of symmetrical figures and which is the line of symmetry? Yes students, now the line of symmetry of a circle. We have to find the line of symmetry of a figure. If a figure is of circle, suppose it is a circle, if I draw a vertical line, it gives the other half, it covers the other half. Now what happens if I draw a horizontal line? You can see that it gives two parts. If I fold that, it gives the similar second part. Yes, that means it have two line of symmetry. Now what happen if I draw another way, in another way? See, circle is there. You can see that the circle. What happen if I draw like this? What happens if I draw a line like this? You can cross it, you can draw any type of line of symmetry. It gives the same other half because the circle have infinitely many line of symmetry. Okay students, from wherever you want to fold it, you can fold it and it gives the same symmetrical shape. Now the asymmetrical figures. Which are the asymmetrical figures? Now you can see this figure. What it figure? If I draw a vertical line, it covers the other half. No, it doesn't cover the other half. Yes students, it can't fold it into two halves that can cover each other. Now you can see the alphabet Q and J. If I draw a vertical line, what happen? It gives the other half, it covers the other half. You can draw that. Now students, you can see on the board, this is the exercise 10.1 from the chapter Symmetry. In that first question is, which of the following figures are symmetrical? Okay students, I have drawn some figures here. We have to check which of these are symmetrical. In the video, we learn what is symmetrical figures. If I fold that from any side, it should cover the other half part. Okay friend, see here, if I draw a line of symmetry like this, and if I fold this part here, it should cover the whole part. If it covers, then that figure is symmetrical figure. Now see, if I cover this, it gives a symmetrical figure. Yes, now my figure is not that much okay, but in textbook it is clearly given. If I fold from this side, it gives the symmetrical shape. That means our first is symmetrical figure. Okay, it is symmetrical. Okay, it is symmetrical. First answer is symmetrical. Now see, the second word is from the alphabet. Okay, it is C. If I draw a line like this from the middle, and if I cover it, you have seen the word C. C is like this. It is symmetrical. If I draw a line like this, and if I fold that part into this part, it gives the symmetrical figure. Student, yes or no? That means this figure is also symmetrical. Understand which are the symmetrical figures and which are not? Yes. Now see the third figure. If I draw a vertical line, okay, what happens? See, the half part and this half part, both are identical. That means both are similar. If I fold this part on this, it gives the similar, or other, if I fold this part on the right side, it gives the symmetrical figure. That means this figure is also symmetrical. Understand? Now see the word K. What happens if I draw a vertical line? It gives the same part on both sides? No, that means it is not symmetrical around vertical line. Now what happens if I draw like this? It gives the same part. If I draw from any side, it doesn't give the symmetrical figure. Okay, that means it is not symmetrical. Not symmetrical. From where you want to draw a line, it should give the same part on both sides. Okay, if I draw a line like this, it should give the same part. If it gives, then means it is symmetrical. If it is not gives, then it is not a symmetrical. Now see line is not like this. Okay, so if I fold this part, it gives the same part. That means it is also symmetric. Okay, symmetrical figure. Now the next question: if I draw vertical line, see the both parts are symmetrical. That means it is also symmetrical. Understand what are symmetrical and which are not symmetrical. Okay students, if there are remaining questions are there, you have to solve that. Okay, now see the second question is question number 2. If you understood this, say yes in the comment box. Okay, question number 2. Draw the line of symmetry for the following. Okay, we have to draw the line of symmetry. Which is the line of symmetry? The line which cut the figure into 2 equal parts. That line is called line of symmetry. The first figure is, it is of I think leaf. It is my drawing is not that much good. Okay students, if a figure is like this, we have to draw the line of symmetry. From where, if I cut that part, it gives the 2 similar parts. Then that line is called line of symmetry. Now the B is, it is half circle or it is D. Okay, you can say that. Now the C is a bucket or something like that. You have to draw the line of symmetry. Okay, now the D is a rectangle. This side is equals to this and this side is equals to this. This is a rectangle. Okay students, now the next is, it is a figure of V. E, okay, now the next is figure of H. We have to draw the line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there? We have to find that. Okay students, now the next is, I am taking any of the question. Don't think it is one by one. Okay, now these are the figures. Okay students, we have to find the line of symmetry here. How many lines of symmetry are there? That also we have to find. Just draw them. This is your question. Now if I draw a line from this, okay, from the center of leaf. Yes, from the center of leaf. Now see, it has only one line of symmetry. We have to just draw the line of symmetry. So the first line of symmetry is from the middle one. Okay. Now see the next line of symmetry. If I draw from this side, it gives the two symmetrical part? No, it not. If I draw like this, yes, it gives the two similar parts. So line of symmetry is horizontal line. Okay. Now in this, if I draw a vertical line, see my line is not. See, this gives the two identical parts. First half, second half. This is also one line of symmetry. But see in the rectangle, there are if I draw vertical line, these two are similar. But if I draw like this, it is also symmetrical. Yes, students. But what happens if I draw with this? It gives the second half? No. So in rectangle, there are two lines of symmetry. One vertical, one horizontal. Understand this? You have to just draw the line of symmetry. Now what happens if I draw a vertical line? Also horizontal line? It gives the identical shape? No. But what happens if I draw a vertical line? See, this gives two similar parts. So vertical line is a line of symmetry in H. If I draw vertical line, it gives the similar part. What happens if I draw like this? Yes, it is also gives the two similar parts. That means in the word H, there are two lines of symmetry. Okay, it should give the same mirror image. That is called mirror image. Okay, if I stand in front of mirror, what happens? It shows the similar one. That means in the mirror also I am there. If you stand in front of mirror, what happens? The image is of yours or others. Yes, it is yours. That is called the symmetrical. Now, suppose this is my mirror. If I put a mirror here, it should give the two same parts. Okay. Now see in I, the word I. If I draw a horizontal line, it gives the same part. And similar to that, if I draw a vertical line, it also gives the same part. But see, if I draw here like this, it gives the same part? No. But what happens if I draw like this? This gives same. Okay, that means horizontal line is a line of symmetry. Understand this line of symmetry? Now you can draw the line of symmetry in other questions. Yes. One homework for you. Okay, students. Homework is write all the letters of question number 3. Okay, that is the question number 3. Write all the letters of the English alphabet. Write all the letters from English alphabet that have a line of symmetry. Understand this question? How many alphabets are there in English alphabet from A to Z? Okay, from A to Z, capital A to Z. Okay, not small. Capital words in capital alphabets which are having a line of symmetry. We have to write all the letters. Suppose I have drawn A. Okay, now if I draw a vertical line, it has a line of symmetry. That means A is also having. If I draw B and from this horizontal line, it gives the same. That means it is also a symmetrical and it has a line of symmetry. In the C also, D also, in E also, in F. What happens if I draw F? It has a line of symmetry? No, it does not have a line of symmetry. Okay, you have to just write all the letters which are having a line of symmetry. Understand this? Okay. the last question from this exercise. Complete the following figure by drawing a symmetrical figure. You can draw that. That question is for your homework. Okay students, 2 questions for your homework. Question number 3 and question number 4. You have to draw the other half parts. There is line of symmetry is also given. You have to just draw the next half part. Okay students, this introduction, that is the introduction to symmetry. That means what is the meaning of symmetry and the line of symmetry. It over in this video. If you have any doubt, you can mail me. Okay students, you understood this, what is line of symmetry and what is the meaning of symmetry? Yes, if it gives the mirror image, that means it is symmetrical. Okay, if it is not given, then it is not symmetrical. Hello students, just now we learn the symmetrical figures, which are the symmetrical figures and what is the line of symmetry. Okay, now that we have to use while we are using the Funtut app. Okay, open your Funtut app, log in into that and try to solve the questions from Funtut. Okay, when you open your Funtut app, you can see your screen like this. Okay, in that you have to click on the word learn. Okay, now in that you have to select your chapter name. Okay, from that chapter name you can select this. Okay, I have selected the word symmetry because we are going to learn the symmetry chapter. In that you have to click the introduction to symmetry. Okay, now you can see the screen is like this. That means the questions are there. From this you can solve many types of question. Okay, see the first question is identify the symmetrical pair. The rectangle is given and see downside the options are given. Okay, this is first option, second option, third and fourth option. We have to choose which option is correct for our question. Now you can see which option is correct one, first, second, third, fourth, which one is correct. I have chosen the first one. Okay, now you can see the blue mark is there. Now you want to verify your answer is correct or not. Here is the word check. When you take your cursor down, it gives the word check. Now see, I have checked my answer. Now where you have checked, see the green mark is there. That means our answer is correct. Okay, this is the first question I have solved. Now I want to take the next question. Okay, the next question is now see, you can see the square is given and one line is, what that line is called? Line of symmetry. It is folded. Okay, how it is folded, you have seen that. Now the question is, what happens when the square is half folded in the animation? The animation was seen. Okay students, now we have to find what happens when the square is folded in animation. The options are, first option is the square is divided into 2 asymmetrical halves, and the second option is the square is divided into 2 symmetrical halves. Which one is correct? First is correct or second? Yes, the correct answer is second one, but I want to check my answer is correct or not. Just click on check word. See the green signal is there. That means our answer is correct. Okay students, now see the third question. Okay, third question is like this. 2 trees are given. Tree 1 is, now see, there is one line is given in first figure. We have to write our answer. See, tree 1 is symmetrical. Yes, because it gives 2 similar halves and about the dotted line. And the tree 2 is, see the dotted line, it gives the 2 similar parts. No, it not gives. So answer is asymmetrical about the dotted line. Understand? Now I want to verify my answer. So write on check word. See, options are correct. That means my answer is correct. Now see the third option. Okay, now see next question. Next question is, see, you can see the figure is like this. It is folded. It gives, now you can see this. Okay, I want to answer this. Okay, what happens when this triangle is folded along the dotted line as seen in the animation? It gives the two symmetrical parts or two asymmetrical parts? Yes, it gives two asymmetrical parts. Now I want to verify, check. It gives the green signal, that means our answer is correct. Okay students, now the next one. See, you can see the figure. Yes students, it is a rectangle. Now it is rectangle, but we have to complete it. The blue line shows the line of symmetry. Okay, select the appropriate combination of square to complete the symmetrical pattern for right square grid. Now you can see the dotted line, that is blue line, that line is line of symmetry. And now see the right hand side and the left hand side. First column is same, second column is also same, third column is also same, but we have to find the fourth column on the right side. Okay, you can see the left side of fourth column, what it is, white, green, white and purple. Okay, now I want to see which color, which one is from this option, which one it is, white, green, white, purple, second option. So select that and verify. See, if it, now you can see it is green, that means our answer is correct. Okay, now the next one, click on this arrow, so it gives the next one. Okay, now this is a dotted line is given. Which combination of square can be added in place of the blank? You can see on the right side of that line, blank is there, we have to complete that. Okay, see the left side, how it is. See the similar figure in the option. Okay, similar column, which one is similar? First one, I think the first one. Yes student, or the second, third one? It is first one. Okay, click that and check your answer. If it is green, that means our answer is correct. Okay students, understand, you have to complete this. Use the Funtut app, that from that you can solve many type of questions. Okay students, and in from that you can revise your questions. Okay students, if you are having any doubt in the symmetry chapter, you can mail me. Now you see, select the other symmetrical half of the given design. We have to find the other half part. Which one is the other half part? Okay, now which one is that? First see the figure. Okay, it is, which one is symmetrical? Yes students, which one is symmetrical? I think this one, second. I want to verify. Okay, I will cross check. If my green color, yes, it is correct one. Understand this. Through this you can solve your answers, you can solve many type of question. This is only from the chapter symmetry and introduction to symmetry, because this part is over in the class. Okay, just now we saw that what is symmetrical figure and what is the line of symmetry. A figure can have many line of symmetry. Okay students, see here it has only one line of symmetry, but in circle it have infinitely many line of symmetry. And in square also, square have how many? Yes students, you have to tell me the answer for that. Square has how many line of symmetry? That means what happens if I fold vertically or horizontally or diagonally? You have to tell me. Okay, how many line of symmetry are there? This topic is understood or not, you have to tell me in comment box and write your name, your class, division also. Okay students.